Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a little demo on my daughter's Scout chassis. We're supposed to get some rain coming in, so I kind of wanted to get some progress done on the chassis before we get that rain. So follow along. I'm going to do a little time lapse, start stripping parts off of this thing, Sawzall, smoke wrench, torch. So anyways, follow along. We'll see how far I get. So I managed to get a pile of parts here, exhaust and rear drive line, shocks, a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to start working on taking off stuff that's not needed on here because I'm going to pull this whole assembly out at once, probably for another day. I just wanted to get the torch out, get the Sawzall out, and get everything cleaned off of here as much as possible, and get a video out to you guys so you can kind of see some progress. I haven't touched the tub since I got it in sealer about 3 weeks ago. So hopefully here in the next couple weeks, I'll be able to start cutting into that and replacing some of the sheet metal. Have a good afternoon. Catch you guys on the next one.